Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's quickly solve this equation. Alright, so this looks impossible, right? But with just few steps, we are going to have the value of k. Now let's solve this solution. We have root k equals to root minus k. Right, so now let's look at our domain first. Let's see what root k requires and what root minus k requires. So our domain now take note of this. Root k requires that k should be either equal 0 or greater than 0. Okay, and then let's look at what our square root of minus k requires. Requires that k must be either equal 0 or less than 0. And then from this domain check, you should know what our answer is. Now let's go back to what we have. We have square root of k equals to square root of minus k. Let's square both sides. Let's square both sides. Square both sides. Okay, so that means we have square square root of k square, and then we have square root of minus k square. So the square cancel the square root. We have k equals to also here equals to minus k, and then let's bring them together. Bring this here. So we have k plus k equals 0. Okay, so k plus k is 2k. We have 2k equals 0. Now we divide both side by 2. All right, so divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2. So we have k equals to, what is 0 divided by 2? It's 0. All right, so our answer is 0. The only solution we have to this question is k equals 0. And that actually satisfies our domain. Let's do our domain check. The answer 0 satisfy this our domain. All right, so let's try something similar to that. Let's try this. So let's find k when we have square root of k plus square root of minus k equals to 1. Right, so here let's find k. Find k.